I mean, it like almost killed me when it blew up, which is
Really?
weird. Yeah, like it seems very strong. My rocket sentry, like, same thing. The explosions seem much louder. They're like booming. I don't know. Feels strange. Hit me up. Over you. There. Okay.
Reinforcing.
Of course he did.
Yeah, ass.
Requesting orbital. Point me to the enemy. Requesting air support.
Good night to you.
Have at it. I'll sit there and watch. Oh, the sand's coming. Hey.
That can be a gift or a curse.
Yeah.
Right
Landmine.
now. Don't say that. Shh. And I'm terrified. I have to look down at the ground the entire time.
Because I was about to go in this base and look for samples, and I was like, and when you said that, I was like, yeah, landmines.
I'll hold off.
Yeah.
Aw. One random dude alive calls down a flare.
Requesting sentry. Dropship.
Oh wait, I'm going towards you guys. Oh shit. I can't see a damn thing.
Dropship. Northeast.
Oh, I took out the tank and let my machine gun sentry do some work.
Yes, I saw a tank land right here. I think it died. It didn't. What the fuck? I just shot right through it.
Gunfire.
It's that medium pen.
Okay.
That sounded like a hit something.
That one's dead. Yeah. The shredder
Nice.
tank. Need those for the daily.
Yeah, sure, tank can
What?
certainly piss off. I hear berserkers?
Yeah. Something, yeah.
Some big
I
to
heard
the
something
left.
go. Meow.
It sounded berserkers like to our right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am too, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
because
there it
yeah, no shit.
Because it is.
That'd be exactly what.
There's one. Yeah. Take that, beefcake.
Eat my shit. I can't resist. 14. Yes.
Whee!
Blind guess. I love me a stray hub bomb like that. That is just fun. Until you back up under heavy fire and realize there's one next to you. Yeah, no,
orange is
that's
upon
not
you.
great. Yeah. Karma came to pay its dues. It's fine.
Oh, I couldn't imagine, like,
That would suck.
colorblind, and that's mostly all I can see on this planet like this. Yeah, that would suck.
Oh, that's hellacious.
Ooh,
Nice. Hell yeah.
I don't know why, but always getting hit by the recoil survival black back blast makes me crack up.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's fine.
Nothing like a good old back blast.
Dropships.
Lazy statements. That's a tank.
Requesting sentry.
That was a tank. Oh shit, that is a... Oh god. All of
There's
it.
another shredder.
Yeah,
Thermite
Right
on
behind that.
Annihilator. I'm looking.
Yeah. Listen to that rocket sentry.
Did that
Somebody
thermite-
said that the Jar Dominator sounds different now too.
Tell me that when it hits doesn't sound different.
Yeah, it
It's
does.
shooting like massive shrapnel too.
Fuck! Why is it not? Damn it!
Yeah, that's
Have that
100% different.
Ooh! Ooh, that's a shredder. That's awkward. Let me get out of that. Got a thermite on it. That'll do it too.
Is it fucking fragmenting? Like the rocket sentry sounds nasty. Holy shit.
That just missed you. Oh shit.
Yeah, my ears weren't deceiving me on that one.
Uh,
I thought I was hard right there.
Attack back, inbound.
Okay. Doors are open.
I got one open. Yeah, we're here now. Get your ass moving. Oh, that's what I thought it was.
Hey, you heard him too,
More
huh?
strike.
Sending in an
Strafing run. Oh, turn this way, dickheads.
requesting
Disgusting.
reloading.
Hurry it up there, ladies. Let's go. Get your asses in there.
Oh, that's back here. Okay.
I need a team reload.
Okay. I gotta listen to this again.
Requesting sentry.
Yeah. They added like some kind of concussion to the rocket sentry. You can actually see the stun wave on it too. That's crazy. Yeah, you can see an actual like blast stun wave around it. Shrapnel and a stun wave.
You want to get the last one, Scuttle, or
Affirmative.
Yes. See it?
Yeah, I
you
can.
got it? If you got it, you got it.
Yep. Watch where it hits.
All right.
Yeah.
Dropping a pin. East, 300 meters.
With
Doggy.
shrapnel.
Yes. Ah.
He's getting fucked up.
Woo!
He's down. Yep.
I sure ain't happy if he was still alive.
Yeah, that rocket sentry is doing some. Oh shit!
Mission at 20 minutes remaining.
Okay. Also, rocket sentry blows up when it's done.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh.
Oh, it might have been a mine next to it.
Extraction is available.
So it just went kaboom afterwards. I hear a rare sample. There it is. Yeah, it for sure has a much different explosion at the end now. Like wildly different.
Throwing in extraction.
Extraction shuttle inbound.
Requesting sentry. Enemy patrol, northeast. Calling in an eagle.
Jugger. Good. Nice. Nice. Hell yeah.
Are they gonna keep coming from there?
Up here.
ETA T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Orbital inbound.
The booster, I think, is kind of not really necessary, but
Yeah, I could care less about that booster.
I could see it as an armor passive, but as a full team booster, people are just going to not like it.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
Sending in an eagle.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds. ETA T-minus 20
Shit.
seconds.
Fucking, I'm going for it. Nice.
ETA T-minus 10 seconds. Pelican 1 arriving at coordinates. This is Pelican 1 preparing for touchdown.
Oh yeah. Floating tank.
Oh, got squished by the jet.
Oh shit.
Oh, the Pelican's here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not bad.
yeah, the jet squashed. I got your samples.
Preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
Wait, what? Oh.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Democracy prevails once more.
Yeah, it'll. I mean, honestly, it's going to depend on how the bleed out actually works. But
You secured a lot of samples.
that's, I mean, if it's a wound in the chest, then you could wear the Democracy Protects because it protects from hemorrhaging in the chest. And then it.
Mission coordinates locked.
So, like, there might be ways to counter it, but we'll see when we get it. If it's very, very minimal, then it may be worth it. But if it's like, it just starts ripping your health apart at like equal amounts of stamina, that would suck. Yeah, once we get it, we'll be able to see. You test it out. If it sucks, you don't use it. If it works great, sure.
Hell pod launch initiated.
That's it. To me, it all depends on how much damage
Let them face the insurmountable
it's taking, basically.
Into your
Whether it's worth using the stims or not.
Southeast. Calling down a support weapon.
trying to find where that AA is.
Hellbomb.
Gunship facility out there.
Shit. Shit.
Reinforcing.
Where's this AA? I found it. Oh, that is a fucking tank.
They were gonna drop out here, but it's fine.
Dropship. Orbital inbound. What made of the enemy?
Oh my god, there's a flying heavy dev over there.
Southeast.
That was funny.
Uh,
Calling down fortifications.
It's a heavy dev shooting from somewhere. Oh no.
Objective located. South.
Yeah. Detector back there.
Going for the AA right now. So that shit's gonna be mildly annoying for everybody. Fuck! Okay. Okay, so if we're gonna play hardball, we can hardball it.
This is the fake rock.
Fuck it. Thermites for everybody. Everybody get a thermite.
You'll get a thermite. You'll get a thermite.
Everybody gets a
Everybody
thermite!
gets a thermite.
Requesting air support.
When in doubt, just start chucking thermites and pray that they stick. Anti-air is handled, so now
Wait,
that
is this-
means good night, sweethearts.
Oh, that's the generator. I'm not gonna mess with it yet.
Requesting air support.
Outpost destroyed.
Requesting
Sending
orbital.
in an eagle.
Sending in an eagle. Requesting sentry.
What if?
Oh no,
Calling in reinforcements.
that 380 missed, dude. Sorry.
Yep, I see it.
See what I think that is? Is that? Okay, it's not. Thank fuck.
Sending in an
Detector
eagle.
tower gonna keep going. Seems like it's in a constant stare over here right now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm okay with that.
Calling in a hellbomb.
Objective
I
complete.
got a nice cup of
Yeah, don't look back at me. There we go. Go. So you're clear to run towards me. Spotted somebody. gonna die in a second, dude. Pew!
Bot asset destroyed.
Hiya!
Sending in an eagle. Delivering payload.
Okay.
Oh, there's hidden devs in
Yeah.
here. Oh, what the fuck?
He's dragging the ship with him.
Yeah.
Shit!
Is he still up?
Yeah, he's inside the ship.
I'm afraid to shoot because I'm afraid I'm going to hit you.
Yeah, you did. The ship, he's just dragging the fucking ship everywhere. I can't hit him. There we go. Okay, he's out of it. Kind of. What the fuck was that? That was horrendous. Okay. What the hell just hit me? Is there a cannon turret over there?
It must have came from that direction.
Yeah. Something just wiped me the fuck out. Yeah, it is. It's over there. From the west over there.
Got
Yep.
it. Wait, did I steal your recoilless? Sorry.
No, that's fine.
I know there's a mine's
As long as I
over
can
here.
pick one up, I'm good.
Requesting air support.
Ship fabricator.
Tagging location.
Meow.
Calling down a sentry.
Yeah, that Devastator stuck in the ship was scary.
Oh, sorry.
You get. Just want to shoot you. There's a group coming up. Yep. Oh, machine gun sentries. Doing work. Oh, it's